Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Jufriman bin Abdul Halim. I'm from RCS 1104G.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fakri bin Osman. My metric number is 20192360 and 52. I'm from class RCS 1104G.
My name is Muhammad Zuidham Yurusli and I am from RCS 1104G.
My name is Muhammad Najmi bin Muhammad Yusof. I am from RCS 1104G. My matrix number is 2019299574.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nikidin bin Abdul Basir. I am from RCS 1104G. My number matrix is 2019215144. Thank you.
Okay, now we will look at the problem that we are going to discuss today. Problem 2. The following tables give the frequency distribution of the number of orders received each day during the past 50 days at the office of a mail order company. Column 1 is the number of orders, and column 2 is the frequencies. The question is, find mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of the data. Identify the shape of distribution. This is the mean formula. This is F. This is sum of frequency symbol. And this is midpoint of each class symbol. And this is total frequency symbol. Step 1. Find the midpoint of each class. The first class is 10 plus 12 divided by 2. The second class is 13 plus 15 divided by 2. The third class, and so on. Step 2. Multiply each class midpoint by the frequency. 11 times 4 equal to 44, and so on. Step 3. Create a table. Column 1 is class. Column 2 is the frequency. Column 3 is the midpoint. And column 4 is the frequency times midpoint. The calculation. Step 4. Find the sum of column 4 and divide by sum of the frequency. This is all. And divide by 50, the total frequency. And the mean is 16.64.
Okay, so next is finding the median. So we take a look at the median formula. This is the median formula, where this is the lower class boundary of the class containing median. This is the total frequency divided by 2. This is the cumulative frequency of classes before the class containing the median. This is the frequency of the median class. This is the width of the class median. So let's look at the calculation. So the first step is we need to find the median class using the formula n divided by 2, where n is the cumulative frequency of the last class. So the cumulative frequency of the last class, which is this class, is 50. So 50 divided by 2 is 25. So we need to find the cumulative frequency 25. So this is 4, 12, 16, 16 plus 20, 36. So the 25 is within this range. So now we know that the median class is 16 to 18. And then we move on to the second step. We just use the formula to find the median. So we just fill the formula. This is the lower class boundary of the class containing median, which is 16. So 16 minus 0.5 to get the lower boundary. Then we get 15.5. Then this is the cumulative frequency divided by 2, which is 50. Then minus the cumulative frequency of the class before the median class, which is 4 plus 12, 16. and divided by 20. Then times 3. Then we get the median. Median is 16.85.
Hello, this is mode, and this is the formula. This is the symbol of lower boundary of class containing mode, and this is the symbol of width of the class mode, and this is the symbol of the difference between frequency of class containing mode and the frequency of the class before the class containing mode. And this is the difference between the frequency of class containing mode and the frequency of the class after the class containing mode. Next. Calculation. Find the class containing mode. The class containing mode is 16 to 18 since it has the largest frequency, 20. Next. Step 2. Use the formula. Mode. Follow the step and you will get the most number of orders received is on a day is 17.
The standard deviation, and this is the formula for the standard deviation: square root sum of frequency times with x minus x bar at the power of 2. The x is the midpoint minus x bar is the mean, and the answer is divided by n minus 1. The n is the total frequency. And this is the calculation. And this is the calculation. There are 2 steps. The first step is the sum of frequency times with x minus x bar power of 2. So the 4 is the sub-frequency, and 11 is the midpoint, minus 16.64 is the mean, and power of 2. And so we repeat this step for 3 more times because there are 4 data, and we get the answer 371.52. And we proceed to the step 2. The step 2 is we take the 371.52 from step 1 and divide by 49. We get 49 by using the formula n minus 1. The n is the total frequency minus 1. So the total frequency is 50, so minus 1 we get 49. So the answer will be square root 7.582040816. And then we take this answer and square root it. So we'll get the final answer for the standard deviation, which is 2.75336.
Lastly is the shape of the distribution. As shown by the diagram, we can see that the diagram is on histogram, and the shape of the distribution is approximately symmetrical.